Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we will be installing C or C++ in VS Code. So the first thing that you would want to do is open up a browser. We're just using Edge for this one. Then search for MinGW. Then you'll see a SourceForge link, and the first one, just download it and then hit download. And this will start download shortly. Now what this is it's the GCC compiler. So since VS Code is not a specialized IDE, it's more of a general purpose use software where something like Lion or things from JetBrains are specialized software that's for the specific language. You need a compiler for VS Code. So after you get the file, just open up the file, open this, hit run, and then hit install, and continue, and it will start downloading everything you need. So just wait for it and give it a bit of time to install and set everything up. So after this is done, just hit continue, and then you will see this huge menu right here. And in here you can just, for this one, just the G++ or GCC++ does work, and you need the Objective-C if you're installing it. So this is the new C++ compiler, and you can see it does say what each of them does. So I'll just get this base installation and the GCC and the C Objective-C compiler. So if you're using Fortran or Ada, you can install those compilers as well. So after we have marked everything, just click on here and then click apply changes, and then hit apply. And this will download and install everything that is needed. Okay, so now that that is done, we can close this and everything should be installed. Let's check if our installation is correct. So just go into C, go into here, you can see it says MinGW, and then go into the bin file, just copy this. You can see GCC is available here, but it's not available here. So to actually install this, we just have to go to our environment variable. Now you can search this in your search bar, environment variables, and it should pop up. So you should see this menu right here, and then just go to your environment variables, and in the system section, so this part right here, find that something that says path. So the variable is path. Then click on edit, and you should see a bunch of stuff here. So depending on what is installed on your system, there could be more, there could be less. So just this is the general what you will get. Then hit new right here, and then paste in the directory or the the directory we just copied. Then pick somewhere outside, and you can see this will be here, and then hit OK. Okay, and now this is added to the path of our system. And now what does this do? Now since this is added to our path, now if we just run cmd or any terminal, actually now we can do gcc --version, and now you can see it does show up as 6.3, so it is installed. And again, in case you think something's wrong, so there's the PowerShell one, so gcc --version. So now GCC is available system wide, so anywhere in your system, anything that runs shell command can use this. So now that GCC is installed, now we have to get into VS Code. Now for VS Code, we can simply just search for VS Code, and there's the official link here, so code.visualstudio.com. then you can download for Windows. Just click on this and it should download. So that's done installing. We can open the file where it's installed. Just click on this and install it. So this is for anyone who hasn't installed it yet. So just click on accept. That's next, and then next. Install. So again, we just have to wait for it to install. Now this shouldn't take too long because VS Code is a relatively lightweight software, so it doesn't take that much. Yeah, and that it got installed. Hit finish, and then wait for it to open. Now this is the menu you should be greeted with in a default installation. Then we will ignore all of this. We'll just jump right into extensions and go for C. Now one way to do this is to manually install this, or you can just go to files and let's just go to documents, select folder, it's the author, so make this a bit bigger. There we go. But there are some files already anyway. If you just type in main.c, and you can see this will prompt right here if we want to install it. And if you do install, it will bring you right here as well. And now this is the extension pack, so it will install CPlusPlus, C themes, C make, and C tools. Now in here, as you can see, it says run C file. Now if you just run it bare, just if you click on run, you can see that here it says GCC. So detected the compiler, because we added it to the path, it can automatically detect that, well, we have GCC. We will hit it, click on this, and you can see that, well, since there is nothing on it, it did give us some errors, but the compiler is working. It is built successfully, and this is the program that it built. But just to make things simpler, you can install something called Code Runner. So this extension right here, and this will make things a lot simpler. So you don't have to open this every time you want to see if it worked or not. So now that we have that installed, we can actually go here, and as you can see, there is a new option right here that says run code. Now if I click on this, you can see it actually gives you the output. So the GCC, so this right here will actually build the program. So as you can see, this is the building process. So it built the program. But if you want to just quickly check on what you are doing, just click this and it will just show you the output. So hope that helped you, and hope you liked the video, and comment down if I missed something, or if it worked for you, or if you're having any issue. Bye.